Hi parents and first graders. I just want to go over one example from tonight's homework so that you know what number bonds are and how we use them in our classroom. And the directions are a little bit confusing on the worksheet, so I just want to make sure you understand. So here we go. The first thing we need to do is we need to read the directions. So the directions say, how many animals do you see? Let's take that first part and figure it out. I see, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 animals. So now I know I've answered that first part. I have 6 animals. So let's read the rest and find out what else they want. Write at least 2 different number bonds, that's what these are, to show different ways to break apart the total. The total was how many animals we had. And how many animals did we have altogether? 6. It helps me to write the total right under, so that I remember in my brain there were 6 animals all together. Okay, so now we need to look at the animals and think of 2 different ways to break them apart. So take a look at the animals. What is different about these animals? I bet some of you said that some look like cats and some look like dogs, right? So let's see how many are cats. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 cats. Now how many are dogs? Let's count those. 1, 2. Okay, well now that I have all that information, I can make a number bond. The big box is for your total. And my total was, we wrote it down, 6. So I'm going to put 6 in the total. Now let's think about the cats. And I love labels. So we're going to label the box for cats with a letter C, because C is for cat. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 cats. So I'm going to write 4 in that box that has a C at the top. Next, I need to find out how many dogs there were. 1, 2 dogs. So what label do you think I'd use for dog? D. You got it. So we have D, 2. And if I have 4 and 2 more, that makes 6. 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now we have to think of the other number bond. We can't use cats and dogs again because that's what we did for the first one. So I kind of thought of a tricky one. They're all holding something. What are they all holding? A bone, right. But how many are not holding bones? Right, 0, because they're all holding bones. So my total was 6 animals. I have 6 animals holding bones, and how many not holding bones? 0. Just like in our magic math. 6 plus 0 equals 6, because we didn't add any more and we didn't take any away, so we still have that same number. Hopefully this helps you do number 10. Well, or I guess number 2. Have a great night, guys. Adios!